Hi, I'm Indigo. I'm going to sing Love Story by Taylor Swift. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback starts descending on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the parties of ball gowns, see you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing petals, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. I sneak out to the gardens to see you. We keep quiet 'cause we're dead if they mute, so close your eyes. Escape this house for a little while. 'Cause you were Romeo, you was wrote letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And you were everything to me, I was begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes. Run, save me. They would try to tell me how this love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, oh. 'I got tired of waiting, wondering if you would ever come in around. My faith in you was fading. When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. It's just in my head, I don't know what to say. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You'll never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talk to your dad, you'll pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause we were both young when I first saw you. Thank you so much for listening, and please comment and subscribe. Bye!